Good morning, students. Exercise 6.1, problem number 13. If Q is a point on the locus of x squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0, then find the equation of locus of P which divides segment OQ externally in the ratio 3:4, where O is origin. See here, Q is a point on the locus of this equation. So, Q point has to be taken as A comma B because whose equation is given. So, Q point is on the locus of this equation. So, we have to take it as Q as A comma B. What we have to find? We have to find the equation of locus of P. So, P point whose locus has to be found. So, therefore, the point whose locus has to be found, that has to be taken as h comma k. So, P coordinate we have taken as h comma k. So, this P point, what it does? So, it divides the segment OQ externally in the ratio 3:4. You see now here. So, this is your O point, and here suppose if you are having Q, so this line segment is divided by the point P externally. So, P does not lie on the line segment OQ because P divides this line segment externally. So, externally means this O to P, this distance, what is it? O to P. What ratio? It is 3:4 ratio. So, OP is equal to 3 and PQ, this distance is 4. So, therefore, P divides OQ. So, OP divided by what is it? PQ. P divides OQ in the ratio 3:4. So, therefore, OP divided by PQ is equal to 3/4. Okay, so here we are going to use the section formula. See now, this O was taken as x1 comma y1 and Q was taken as x2 comma y2. Okay, now we are going to find the coordinates of P using section formula. So, what ratio it divides? It divides in the ratio m is to n. So, here this is m and here you are having n. Okay, so see now here, now we have to find the coordinates of P using section formula. What division? External division. So, the formula is mx2 minus nx1 divided by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 divided by m minus n. That is the coordinate of P here. Okay, so using this formula, we are going to write what is O now? O is your 0 comma 0. And what is the Q point we have taken as? That is A comma B. And P point whose coordinates we have taken as h comma k. This P divides OQ externally in the ratio 3:4. So, O to P, this one is 3 and this P to Q is 4. Okay, so your m is 3 and n is 4. If you use this formula, the P coordinate is nothing but m. What is m? Here it is 3. What is x2? This is your x2. So, 3a minus n is 4, your x1. x1 is 0. So, into 0 divided by what has to come? M minus n, that is 3 minus 4. In the same way, m y2. M is 3, your y2 is what? B. So, 3b minus n is 4, your y1 is 0. So, 0 divided by what has to come? 3 minus 4. So, external division. So, the point Q point, that is P point whose coordinates is nothing but, here using the formula we are getting 3a by minus 1 comma 3b by minus 1. So, we have taken the coordinates of P as h comma k. So, definitely h is equal to minus 3a and k is equal to minus 3b. From this, what is a? So minus 3a is equal to h means your a is equal to h by minus 3 or minus h by 3. This minus 3 has to be brought to the left side in the denominator. So h by minus 3, that is minus h by 3. In the same way, b is equal to k by minus 3, that is minus k by 3. So a comma b is the coordinate of q. So therefore the q point is minus h by 3 comma minus k by 3. Where this q, it is given that q lies on this equation. What equation? X squared plus y squared plus 4x minus 3y plus 7 is equal to 0. So this is the q point. So it lies on this equation, means this point has to satisfy the equation. So in the place of x, you have to substitute minus h by 3 the whole square. In the place of y, you have to substitute minus k by 3. So it is minus k by 3 the whole square, and plus 4 into minus h by 3 minus 3 into minus k by 3 plus 7 is equal to 0. If you simplify, so minus h by 3 the whole square, what has to come? It is h squared by 9. Next one, minus k by 3 the whole square is k squared by 9, and here you are having minus 4h by 3 plus minus into minus plus 3k by 3 plus 7 is equal to 0. So if you take LCM, LCM is 9. So therefore h squared plus k squared minus 12h plus 9k plus 63 is equal to 0. So here you are having 3. So the LCM is 9. So the numerator has to be multiplied by 3. And here 7 alone is there. So it has to be multiplied with 9. So that is 63. So if you multiply, 0 into 9 is 0. And it is h squared plus k squared minus 12h plus 9k plus 63 is equal to 0. We have to write the locus of p of h comma k. So therefore h has to be replaced by x and k has to be replaced by y. So therefore x squared plus y squared minus 12x plus 9y plus 63 is equal to 0. And coming to the problem number 14, find the points on the locus of points that are 3 units from x-axis and 5 units from the point 5 comma 1. Here what we have to find the points on the locus. Locus means the path of the curve. So up to the previous problem, up to 13 problems, we have found the equation of the locus and the path find out pannirkom. So we have written the equation. Now what is asked? Find the path, find the points on the locus. So on the equation la irukra points vandu we have to find out. How the points that are 3 units from x-axis. So here I have drawn the x-axis. So from x-axis, the points, how it will be? 3 units. So 3 units distance from the x-axis. So if I take a point p of h comma k, okay, how it is? It is from the x-axis, it is 3 units above. Okay, so therefore the p of h comma k is nothing but p of h comma 3. Okay, in the same way the point q, how it is? It is 3 units below the x-axis. So the points may be above the x-axis or below the x-axis. Okay, so we have taken here p and q be the 2 points. Okay, how they are? They are 3 units from the x-axis. P is above the x-axis and q is below the x-axis. So whose x coordinate we have taken as h. Okay, so therefore p of h comma k and q of h comma minus k. Why the minus has come? Because p point is above the x-axis, so positive side of y-axis. Okay, this distance is 3, so k is 3. And q, how it is? It is below the x-axis, so it is in the negative side of y-axis. So therefore it is minus k. Your k is what? 3. So therefore h comma 3 and q point is h comma minus 3. And also given that the points, how they are? P and Q 5 units from the point 5 comma 1. So I have marked the point 5 comma 1 here, that is denoted as A. So from A, the P point is it's a distance of 5 units from A. And Q point, how it is? It is it having the distance of 5 units from A. So that is PA is equal to 5 and QA is equal to 5. Okay, so here I have taken PA is equal to 5. P, what is P point? It is H comma 3. Why it is 3? Your K is 3 now. So it is H comma 3. And A point is 5 comma 1. So you can find the distance formula. So square root of, what has to come? H minus 5 the whole square plus 3 minus 1 the whole square. So it is written within the square root, because distance formula we have to start with the square root, is equal to what? 5. So here you are having the square root. So squaring on both the sides. So when you square, it is H minus 5 the whole square plus, how the 4 has come? 3 minus 1, that is 2. 2 squared is 4, is equal to 25. It is in the form of A minus B the whole square. So it is A square plus B square minus 2AB plus 4. This bring this 25 to the left side as minus 25 is equal to 0. This plus 25 and minus 25 getting cancelled. So the remaining is H squared minus 10H plus 4 is equal to 0. So it's a quadratic equation. So you have to factorize this. The product is 4 and the addition is minus 10. So we can't factorize, so we are using this formula. So H is equal to minus B plus or minus square root of B squared minus 4AC by 2A. So your, what is your B? B is minus 10. So minus of minus 10 is plus 10. Plus or minus square root of B squared, that is minus 10 the whole square is 100. Minus 4 into, what is your A is 1. Your C also, C is 4. So minus 4 into 4 divided by 2A. So your A is 1, so it is 2. So 10 plus or minus square root of 100 minus 16 by 2. 100 minus 16 is 84. This 84 can be written as 4 into 21. If you take the square root of 4 is 2. So 2 into square root of 21 by 2. So therefore H is 10 plus or minus 2 square root of 21 by 2. So from the numerator you can take 2 common. If you take 2 common, here you will have, in the place of 10 you will have 5 plus or minus square root of 21 by 2. So the denominator and the numerator 2 getting cancelled. So H is nothing but what? 5 plus or minus square root of 21 comma 3. So 5 plus root 21 and 5 minus root 21 has to come. And you just consider the point Q. So how is Q? It is 3 units below the x-axis. So Q coordinate is H comma minus 3. Already we have discussed, it is H comma, what is it? Your K 3. So H comma minus 3. And it is 5 units distance from A. So QA is equal to 5. So you have to use the distance formula. Square root of H minus 5 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 the whole square is equal to 5. When you are squaring on both the sides, you will get H minus 5 the whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 is minus 4. Minus 4 the whole square is equal to 25. If you expand, H squared plus 25 minus 10H plus 16 is equal to 25. So this 25 and this 25 getting cancelled. Here you are having H squared minus 10H plus 16 is equal to 0. The product should be 16 and the addition is minus 10. So we can factorize here minus 8 minus 2. If you multiply, it is plus 16. If you add, you will get minus 10. So H minus 8 into H minus 2 is equal to 0. H is equal to 8 and H is equal to 2. So the points are 8 comma minus 3 and 2 comma minus 3. Okay, so see now the next one. We are coming to the problem number 15. The sum of the distances of a moving point from the points 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0 is always 10 units. Find the equation of the locus of the moving point. Okay, so see now the fixed point 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0 is given. It is fixed, it will not change. So that has to be taken as A and B. A is 4 comma 0 and B is minus 4 comma 0. You see that sum of the distances of a moving point find the equation of the locus of the moving point. So the moving point has to be taken as P, whose locus has to be found. So therefore P of H comma K be the moving point. Okay, so what is the result is given? Sum of the distances. So you have to find two distances of a moving point. So what is a moving point? P. From the points A and B is always 10 units. So what is the distances? P point to A point to distance, that is PA. Okay, and the next distance from P point to the point B, so that is PA. Both the distance has to be added because it is given sum. So PA plus PB is equal to 10. So PA, P point is H comma K, A is 4 comma 0. You just using distance formula, you just find out it's a square root of H minus 4 the whole square plus K minus 0 the whole square, plus your PB also the same way you can find. What is it? Using distance formula, square root of H minus of minus 4. So H plus 4 the whole square plus K minus 0 the whole square is equal to 10. So bring this term. So K minus 0 is what? K. So K is squared is K squared here. Bring this the second term to the next side. So it is 10 minus square root of H plus 4 the whole square plus K square. So both the sides you are having square root. So squaring on both the sides. So if you square, it is H minus 4 the whole square plus K square. So here you are having two terms in between minus. So it is in the form of A minus B the whole square. Your A is 10. So if you square, it is 100 plus B square. So if you square the square root, it will become a square root and the square getting cancelled. You will have H plus 4 the whole square plus K square. Next one, what it is? Minus 2AB. So minus 2 into 10 is 20 into B, that is square root of H plus 4 the whole square plus K square. So it is, you have to expand using the formula A minus B the whole square. So A square plus B square minus 2AB plus K square you have to write. Here the same way 100 plus this also, if you expand, H square plus 16 plus 8H plus K square minus 20. So both the sides we can cancel. What are they? H squared getting cancelled, 16 is cancelled and K squared also cancelled. Bring this 8H to the left side, it is minus 8H. Already here you are having minus 8H. So it is 100 minus 20 into square root of H plus 4 the whole square plus K square. Bring this 100 to the next side. So it is minus 8H is what? Minus 16H minus 100 is equal to minus 20 into this. This side you are having square root. So what you have to do? Again you have to squaring on both the sides. So minus 16H minus 100 the whole square is equal to, if you square minus 20 the whole square is 400. If you square the square root, both getting cancelled, you will get H plus 4 the whole square plus K square. So here it is in the form of A minus B the whole square, that not A plus B the whole square, both having the minus. So if you commonly taken out and if you square, it will become plus. So it is A square, that is 16H the whole square is 256H square plus B squared is what is it? It is 10,000. Okay, and plus 2AB 3200H. And if you expand using the formula A plus B the whole square, H square plus 16 plus 8H plus K square. And if you apply 400 to all the terms, you will get here. So see now what you have to do, you have to group the terms of H squared, K squared, H and the constant. So here 400H squared, bring this 256H squared to the right side, it is minus 256H squared. Okay, and here you are having 400K squared, so that is written. That has to be right hand side. So here he from what is that? 10,000, you have to subtract 6,400. If you bring it to the left side, it is minus 6,400. Okay, so see here 3,200H, here also 3,200H, both getting cancelled. So if you subtract, your answer is 3,600. If you divide it by 3,600, here you will have, so in the denominator I have written here 3,600 by 3,600 is 1. So you can divide it by 12. So 12 12s are It is 144. So the numerator is 12 and the denominator is 300. Okay, plus here 2 zeros getting cancelled. So 4 by 36 k squared is equal to 1. So if you divide it by 12, it is 25. Okay, 12 into 25 is 300 plus k 4 and the 36 getting cancelled. So 1 by 9 is equal to 1. So the locus of p of h comma k is, you have to replace h by x and k by y. So x squared by 25 plus y squared by 9 is equal to 1. Okay, so the next topic, we are moving to the straight lines. Okay, so here before moving to the straight lines, we should know about the slope. What is a slope? Slope, otherwise we can call gradient. Gradient of the straight line is a number. Slope is nothing but a number. That number that measures its direction and the steepness. Okay, so here you are having 3 formula to find the slope. So if theta is given, what is theta? It's an angle of inclination of the straight line with the x-axis. X-axis and the straight line angle is theta, means the slope you have to use to find slope, you have to use the formula m is equal to tan theta. If 2 points are given, so ஒரு straight line la if 2 points are given, how to find the slope? M is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. If the straight line is given, the slope of the straight line using the formula minus a by b. What is a? It's a coefficient of x. What is b? It's a coefficient of y. So if you want to find the slope from the given straight line, you have to use the formula minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of y. Okay, so in the plane, if 2 or more points, 3 or more points are said to be collinear, means they lie on the same line, same straight line. Okay, here I have taken 3 points A, B, C. If they are said to be collinear, means slope of AB is equal to slope of BC or slope of AC. Slope of AB is equal to slope of BC. If we have the slopes are equal, we can say the 3 points are collinear. So next topic, we are moving to the intercept. Before moving to the straight line, you should know about it. Here you see x-axis, y-axis I have drawn. So this is a straight line. AB is a straight line. You see that the straight line touches the x-axis at a point A. So this is called the intercept. Okay, and the same way the straight line, when it crosses the y-axis at a point B, so B is called the intercept. So your x-intercept is nothing but OA and y-intercept is nothing but OB. So x-intercept means it's a distance from origin to the point where at which the straight line cuts the x-axis. So x-axis எந்த பாயிண்ட் கட் பண்ணுதோ அந்த பாயிண்ட்டுக்கும் ஆரிஜினுக்கும் உள்ள டிஸ்டன்ஸ் தான் எக்ஸ் இன்டர்செப்ட். அப்போ எக்ஸ் இன்டர்செப்ட் இஸ் நத்திங் பட் ஓஏ. இன் த சேம் வே, if the straight line cuts the y-axis at a point B, means it is OB is called the y-intercept. So what is y-intercept? It's a distance from origin to the point at which the straight line cuts the y-axis. So on the straight line y-axis cut பண்ற பாயிண்ட்டுக்கும் ஆரிஜினுக்கும் உள்ள distance is called y-intercept. So that's why OA is x-intercept and OB is y-intercept. Okay, you see that next, the types of straight line related to the given information. Okay, so what are given? The informations are given, and according to that we are going to write the equation of the straight line. You see that first slope and y-intercept. So slope is denoted as m and y-intercept b. Okay, so if it is given, the equation of the straight line is y is equal to mx plus c. And slope and one point is given. Slope and one point is given. Your equation of straight line is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. If the 2 points are given, where the 2 points, it lies on the straight line. If 2 points are given, the equation of the straight line y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. and you see that x-intercept, that is OE. So just now we have seen x-intercept is OE. So the OE is taken as a distance A, and y-intercept B is given. Intercept form of the straight line is x by A plus y by B is equal to 1. And you see that normal length P. So what it is? Normal length. You see here. So this is your, here I have drawn x-axis and y-axis. So this is your x-axis and this is your y-axis. If I draw the straight line, so this is the straight line. Okay. So what is the normal length means? It's a distance from origin to the straight line. Okay. It's a perpendicular distance from origin to the straight line. Okay, so in the distance it is a perpendicular distance from origin to the straight line. That is the normal length. Here this normal length is given as P. Okay, and the angle alpha. So alpha is nothing but the perpendicular ko x-axis ko ulla angle. So this is your alpha. Okay, see now here. In the straight line x-axis angle can be denoted as theta, means from this angle we can find the slope using the formula m is equal to tan theta. But this alpha is different. This alpha is the angle made by the perpendicular line with the x-axis. So in the angle you should not use m is equal to, you can find out the m is equal to tan alpha, but it is not the slope of the line. So the slope of the line find out pannona, so we should know the angle made by the straight line with the x-axis. Okay, here your alpha is what? Is the angle made by the perpendicular line and the x-axis. Okay, what is the perpendicular line? It is from origin to the straight line. Okay, so what is the normal length? This is the normal length. So it is denoted as by the letter P, and alpha is the angle made by the normal with the x-axis. So you see now, if these two are given, so the normal length P and the angle alpha is given, the equation of the straight line is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to P. On the parametric form, parameter is given. What is the parameter? R. So x and y is written in terms of R. That is the R is the parameter. If it's so, the equation of the straight line is x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to R. Okay, what is the equation? Parametric form. The equation is x minus x1 by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to R. So if we equate the first one, x minus x1 is equal to R cos theta. So your x is equal to x1 minus x1 when you bring it to the next side plus x1 plus R cos theta. In the same way, y, if we equate these two, y is equal to y1 plus R sin theta. Okay, this is called the, what is it? Parametric form. Okay, so x1 plus R cos theta, comma, y1 plus R sin theta. It's a parametric points. So here, this is the equation of the straight line if it is written in the parametric form. So x minus x1 cos theta by cos theta is equal to y minus y1 by sin theta is equal to R. If it is generally equation of the straight line, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, so using these formula, we are going to do the exercise 6.2. That is, first one, find the equation of the line passing through the point 1, 2, 1, 1. So it is given generally. So the equation of the straight line passing through the point 1, 1. Okay, and here you are having 4 subdivisions. In the first subdivision, along with the passing point 1, 1, y-intercept minus 4 is given. Okay, you see that if y-intercept is involved in both the cases. One is the first case, y-intercept. Y-intercept is there, but slope we have to find out. If slope is needed means you should know the angle, or how it is. We should know the 2 points irundha we can find the slope, or one angle irundha we can find the slope. But here angle is not given, only one point is given. So here in the fourth one, x-intercept, y-intercept. If we have, you can write the equation of the straight line x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So y-intercept alone is given. So we are going to find the x-intercept. So you see that how it will be. So I have taken the equation of the straight line is in the intercept form, that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. So here y-intercept is what? Minus 4. So y-intercept I have written. And this straight line, how it is? It is passing through the point 1, 1. So 1, 1 has to be substituted. So in the place of x you have to write 1. Y also you have to write 1. So it is 1 by a plus 1 by minus 4 is equal to 1. So minus 1 by 4, when you bring it to the right side, it is plus 1 by 4. If you take that is LCM, and that is 5 by 4. 1 into 4, 4 plus 1, that is 5 by 4. So a you need, so a is equal to, if you reciprocate, your answer is 4 by 5. So we have found what? The x-intercept. X-intercept is there, already y-intercept is there. If we substitute, the equation of the straight line is x by 4 by 5 plus y by minus 4 is equal to 1. So the 5 will go to the numerator. So 5x divided by 4 minus y by 4 is equal to 1. So 4 is the LCM. So here 5x minus y is equal to 4 into 1, that is equal to 4. And coming to the second subdivision, what is given? See now, with the slope 3. So y-intercept is there and the slope is given. So slope is taken as m, and the point is x1 comma y1, that is 1 comma 1. So 1 point and the slope is given means you have to find the equation of the straight line using the formula y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. What is your x1, y1? The passing point 1 comma 1. So if you substitute, in the place of y1 as 1, in the place of x1 as 1. So you will get this 3x into 3 into minus 1, that is minus 3. If you arrange 3x and bring this y to the next side, 3x minus y is equal to the minus 3. When you bring it to the left side, it is plus 3. So 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2. And the second one, third subdivision, one more point is given. Already one passing point 1 comma 1 is there, and also it passes through another point minus 2 comma 3. So how many points here you are having? 2 points are given. So 2 points are given. How to write the equation of the straight line? The formula is y minus y1 divided by y2 minus y1 is equal to x minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. So here y minus y1, in the place of y1 you have to substitute 1, divided by y2 minus y1, that is 3 minus 1 is, here it is 2, is equal to x minus x1. So what is x1? Here also 1. So divided by x2, x2 is minus 2 minus 1. So y minus 1 by 2 is equal to x minus 1 by minus 3. If we cross multiply and arrange, you will get the answer as 2x plus 3y is equal to 5. Coming to the fourth subdivision, what is given? Passing point already is there, 1 comma 1, and the perpendicular from origin makes an angle 60 degree with the x-axis. So here I have drawn the straight line. Here this is the perpendicular from origin to the straight line. So this perpendicular intersects the straight line at a point A. Okay. So see now, this line, this perpendicular makes what angle? 60 degree. So therefore your alpha is equal to 60 degree. Here we are going to use the formula normal form. That is x cos alpha plus y sin alpha is equal to p. So alpha under place we have substituted cos 60 degree. And sine y into sine 60 degree is equal to p. So it is also given that the straight line passes through 1 comma 1. So in the place of x you have to substitute 1. In the place of y also you have to substitute 1. So cos 60 degrees 1 by 2, sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2 is equal to p. So we have found the normal length, that is p. Okay, this has to be substituted in this equation. So x into, what is cos 60 degree? 1 by 2. So that is x by 2. Sin 60 degrees root 3 by 2. So y root 3 by 2 is equal to p. P we have found here, 1 plus root 3 by 2. So you see that both the sides you are having 2 is common. So it is getting cancelled. So x plus y root 3 is equal to 1 plus root 3. Okay, coming to the problem number 2. If P of R comma C is midpoint of the line segment between the axes, then show that x by R plus y by C is equal to 2. What is P? P is a midpoint. Edoda midpoint? Line segment between the axes. So I have drawn the straight line AB. So you see that between the axes means we have to consider only the line segment AB. So in the AB or the midpoint, what it is P. Okay. So the P point having the coordinate R comma C. So where is A? A is on the x-axis. So whose y coordinate is 0. So A point I have taken as x comma 0 because it is on the x-axis. B point where it is? It is on the y-axis. So I will take it is 0 comma y. Okay, what is P? That R comma C is the midpoint of this line segment. How to find the midpoint? What is the formula? x1 plus x2 by 2 comma y1 plus y2 by 2. So AB oda midpoint. So therefore the first one x1 y1 is x2 y2. So x1 is x here, x plus 0 by 2 comma y1 it is 0 plus y by 2 is equal to R comma C. So x by 2 is equal to x plus 0 is x by 2. In the same way 0 plus y is y by 2. So x by 2 is equal to R and y by 2 is equal to C. So x is equal to 2R and y is equal to 2C. Okay, so this 2R is nothing but x-intercept, that is OE. So OE is equal to 2R and OB is equal to 2C. Because x it's a x coordinate of A. So this much distance. So therefore, yeah, x-intercept is 2R and y-intercept is 2C. So x-intercept, y-intercept is there. So the equation of the straight line is x by A plus y by b is equal to 1. So in the place of a, what will you write? X-intercept. What is x-intercept? It is 2r. And the y-intercept is b, that is here it is 2c. So x by 2r plus y by 2c is equal to 1. So 2 in the common. So when you bring it to the next side, that is 1 into 2 is 2. So what is remaining here? X by r plus y by c is equal to 2. That is the result is needed. We have proved it. Thank you, students.